Today I got my first ever mechanical keyboard. So it's very exciting. This is what I got. This is the Durgod Taurus K320 TKL mechanical gaming keyboard. It's an 87 key keyboard, compatible with PC and Mac, but probably the firmware or the software for the keyboard only works on PC. The main reason why I got this is because it has a USB-C, which is perfect for my new 2018 MacBook Pro because it only supports USB-C. Still can't get over that. At the same time, it looked really good in the picture. Simple, just ready to get the job done type feel. No gimmicky feeling to it. It's just a very classical looking keyboard in my opinion. So let's unbox this. Alright, so just so you know, mine is a cherry blue key, if that's even what you call it. I've been told that the blue key has a bit of a typewriter feel to it, more clickier, much more louder, which I think is perfect for when you take it out to a cafe or a library and just type away. Any tape or anything? Okay, very simple. Yeah, this is made in China, by the way, which is why this probably means Taurus in Mandarin, I'm assuming. Oh, this just opens up. Okay. Alright. Quick starter guide. It smells like a new product in here. Specifications. It weighs 0.9 kilograms. I mean, the casing is supposed to be plastic, by the way. Software download, you can download softwares here. Service and support. They're located in Xiangzhou district in Zhuhai City, China. You know, just an airplane trip from New York. So that's easy. General maintenance. How to deal with dust. How to use the cleaning clay. There's a cleaning clay? How to deal with water ingress. Yeah, because please use the dust cover when the keyboard is not in use. There's a dust cover? That is incredible. That's so cool. How thoughtful of them. Alright, let's check this out then. Welcome to Durgod, it says. Thank you. Alright. How the hell do I take this out? Okay. Got it. Okay. Is this the dust cover that they were talking about? Because that's a bit weird. Oh, it smells like a plastic factory in here. I love it. Okay. Cool. Feels plasticky, but it doesn't actually feel like a cheap plastic for some reason. It feels like a very good quality plastic. It's well built and feels pretty good. Durgod, in case people don't know what it is. That would be a shame if you spend $100. So this thing pops out here so that you can angle it. And it also has a nice rubber padding here as well as here. That's very thoughtful of them. That's good. Okay. Alright, so sounds like this. Clicky. I like it. Okay, let me just check what else is in here. Did they not include a sticker? Oh, speak of the devil. They did include a sticker. That's good. Is this like a Velcro strap for the wire, just to organize the wire? And it also says Durgod here. That's good, because I like stickers. If they didn't include stickers, I would have returned it and designed my own Durgod sticker and then sell it back to Durgod for $100 so I can buy another keyboard in a red key this time, maybe. This, I'm assuming, is for you to take out the keys on the keyboard. It's got a nice, cute illustration here. Hard cap. Surprisingly, it doesn't say Durgod on this thing. I am mind blown. Alright. USB-C cable. Seriously, this is why I just purchased this mechanical keyboard. They have the USB-C cable and it looks fairly long, which is good. So yeah, they have two cables here, which is great. USB, the regular USB to USB-C, and also a USB-C to USB-C. Does that even make sense? Two different USB cables, which is great. So yeah, that's it. There you have it. Two USB cables, a keyboard contracting thingy, manual, sticker, Velcro wrap for the cables. By the way, this keyboard comes in two different colors on Amazon. I'll leave a link below, but I bought the space gray one. You can also get the lighter gray color, I believe, but I bought the space gray one because my MacBook Pro is a space gray. So obviously I have to match the color between the two because otherwise it just wouldn't work, would it? So now I'm confused because on the manual it said use the dust cover to protect the keyboard. But all I got is this plastic cover and this plastic sleeve. So I don't know if I'm supposed to use this as the dust cover or this as the dust cover. Which, yeah, I guess this works. Yeah, I like it a lot actually. I like it a lot. If you hate Apple keyboards, this is probably the way to go. You can really attack the keyboard. It pushes in quite deeply. Yeah. If I angle this, is it gonna make any difference? Yeah. It probably raises your keyboard about, I'd say, an inch, a bit less than an inch. But yeah, that makes a huge difference. If you're using a taller desk or a lower seat or chair, this would come very handy. Just to compare the size for you, here's my 13-inch 2018 MacBook Pro, and here's the Durgod keyboard. So this is pretty much a 13-inch, I would say. And this is my 17-inch Asus ROG gaming laptop, which is like 5 years old. But, okay, thank you. But yeah, 17-inch. So it's all set up now, pretty simple. Like I said, space gray and space gray. I gotta say though, this space gray is a little bit darker than the MacBook space gray. Just so you know before you find out and decide to burn the whole place down, okay? So yeah. I'm just testing stuff out. So yeah, it feels good and it's just a very pleasurable typing experience. So, and just so you know, this is not a backlit keyboard, by the way, which I quite like because all these colorful Christmas tree looking keyboard, I mean, if you have to type or play games even with no light and then you're bothered because you can't see what's on your key, then you should probably just go to bed. You know, what the hell are you doing up? So there you have it, the Durgod gaming keyboard. I'll probably make a really good use out of it. I can finally play some decent games like a true competitive gamer that I am, like Fortnite, League of Legends, Call of Duty, Pokemon, and stuff like that. So I'll probably just use it for typing.